Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I have finally edited the second part of this video and I'm so excited to upload it. I will link down the first part in the description box below in case you want to check it out. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. This bag is made of calf skin, it has a brushed gold hardware and it's in a medium size. I have previously featured this bag in one of my videos that is called 5 most used and 5 least used bags. By the way guys, I just realized that there are 3 other bags that I featured in that other video, my 2 boy bags and my GST, but I don't have them with me because I sent them to spa. I will link down this video in the description box below so you can check it out. So back to this bag. It's so beautiful. When I purchased it, it was a bit more expensive than a classic flap in a medium size, but I really like this design and I'm so happy that I bought it. It's so unique, it's one of the kind and it won't be repeated. And I can say that the quality of this bag is so good. It doesn't have any scratches or any signs of wear and tear, and I do use this bag quite often. I usually take it to work with me and sometimes I use it during the weekends. Next up is my Reissue Flap that I really love. It's in a size small. My only reissue with charms. I do use this bag quite often and I prefer to wear it with my Chanel sweater with charms. It looks so great together and I really like the quality of it. It's my only reissue bag. I don't think I'll be adding any more reissues. I always wanted to get the bag with charms because it's so special, it's so unique, and Chanel doesn't repeat the same charms. I bought this bag last year in December and apparently it was part of the fall-winter collection. I never had any issues with it, it still looks brand new. There is no issues with charms as well, and I actually checked with my SA if something were to happen, can Chanel actually help me to repair it? Well, the bag is on a guarantee for 2 years, but if I were to repair it, I think they can still source the charms from France for me, so it's not a problem, which is very important because once you invest in such bag, you want it to stay new and perfect as long as possible. I saw it in the stores in Singapore this year, just like a month ago. If you're on the hunt for this bag, maybe you can ask your SA to check out because I just seen them recently. Next up is this red medium classic flap that was part of the Cruise 2019 collection, which I absolutely love. I was on the hunt for this shade of red for so long and I have never seen it before. I'm so glad Chanel had it. It's still in a great condition. It actually looks brand new. Moving on to one of my most used bags, and this bag is so special for me because it's from my mom. I really love this bag. This square mini bag is in lambskin and I really love this color. It's so versatile. I have to say, while some lambskin is quite delicate, this one is pretty sturdy. I really like this bag. I travel with it so often. I went to so many countries with this bag and it looks great with jeans and it just goes well with any color. It's the only square mini in my collection. I don't have any other square minis. Would I like to add one someday? Yes, probably, but for now I'm enjoying this bag. The hardware of this bag is in a light gold and I like the way it holds up. I don't have any issues with it at all. I did feature it in the same video that I mentioned earlier, my 5 most and 5 least used bags, and this bag was in a least used bags category, which is no longer the case. I do use this bag a lot now. This bag is in a size small and it has a light gold hardware and it's in the caviar leather. I do like the shade, it's really pretty. It's such a beautiful pink. By the way, this bag is also in a great condition, no issues at all. Many of you guys often ask me what size do I like the most. Do I like the medium size or the small? It's a good question, and I would say it depends. Small is so cute and the medium is very functional, but it depends on the color. For example, in this color combination, I would prefer the small size because it just looks better, but for the red flap that I have recently purchased, I prefer it in the medium. I love to wear this bag crossbody. It looks quite nice. I like that it's a bit shorter. I would recommend to come to the store, try, see what works for you, but I like to have a variety. I like to have happy colors in the small size and the everyday bags in darker colors in the medium size. Next up is my only Coca Handle Bag. I only had this one in a red color and I really love it. I bought it at a really good price from Marina Bay Sands. I can't believe the price was so much more affordable than what it is now. I think this bag holds up quite well, but I have to say that I had some issues with the chain because it was leaving the mark. I've talked about it in one of my videos. I will link it down below. I spoke about this bag for so long. I also showed it up close. I also compared it with my other two red bags. I will link that video for you guys as well so you can check it out. And another bag that I have here is this gray flap that I don't really wear very often, but I really like it. It's a darker shade. And I know that Cruise 2020 will have a gray classic flap. I don't know if it's gonna be in caviar or lambskin, but I know that it's coming. I've seen some pictures of it. This bag is also made in France, and by the way, it just looks brand new. I don't wear this bag very often, although I do like it a lot. I think I'll try to use it more often. It looks really good with lilac, with purple, with many colors, with pink, with dusty pink especially. Actually, the reason why I don't wear some of my bags is not because I don't like them, it's because of my wardrobe. It means I'm just lacking certain colors. I guess I have to refresh my wardrobe. I don't know if you can call it a bag or if it's SLG. This bag is from the Cruise 2019 collection from last year, and I really like this color combination. It's so beautiful. I have to say that not much can fit in this bag, but it still works for me because I bought it for holidays whenever I go to Bali or Thailand for some relaxation, just laying on the beach and going for dinner. I don't feel comfortable carrying big bags on holiday in case someone might snatch it or something like that. So a small tiny bag that I can wrap around my wrist or wear it crossbody just works perfectly, and this bag is very light. I don't even feel it. I can only fit in a lipstick, maybe a hand sanitizer if the bottle is small enough, then a couple of credit cards and maybe some cash, and that's pretty much it. But that works for me. It's totally fine. I have another card holder that actually fits, but my newest one doesn't really fit in this bag at all. I have previously posted an unboxing video of this bag and I will link it down in the description box below. And also this bag has an authenticity card. By the way, I have recently went to Chanel and I saw that they had similar bag. It's the same design, same shape, but in different colors. So you may want to check it out in the store. Next up, I have this small flap in caviar leather and gold hardware, and this is my favorite bag at the moment. I use it so often and I have posted so many pictures on Instagram with it. I take this bag everywhere. I even take it to work, I travel with it, I go out with it. It's so versatile. I like the fact that the caviar of this bag is so sturdy. It reminds me of Jumbo and it kind of feels indestructible. I really like it. I bought this bag last year and I have to say that the small classic flap in black color with gold hardware is quite hard to find. I haven't seen it before and I was so happy to be able to buy it. I like the fact that this bag is really shiny. The leather is incredible. It looks very different from my medium classic flap. The leather is not as shiny for some reason. I don't know why. A lot depends on the batch of the leather that has been used to produce this bag. So yeah, I would recommend to go to store, have a look and see if you like it. So yeah, not all caviar is exactly the same. You have to see it in person. I actually like the fact that the strap of this bag is actually shorter than the strap of the medium flap. It looks quite nice with certain tops, with some jackets, but I think I would struggle to wear it with a very thick jacket or like a fur coat crossbody because they're usually quite thick. But you know, for Singapore it's perfect and I do like this bag a lot. Do guys let me know which bag do you like so far from the ones that I showed. I really think this bag is the most beautiful bag from my entire collection, but some of you guys might say that the next bag is even better. Initially, I had no intention of purchasing it. I was quite happy with all the bags that I have, and I already had my pink bag that I featured in the first video, which I will link down below. I was offered this bag twice by my SA, and I think I took about 1 month to decide, and of course by the time I was ready to buy it, mentally I was prepared for it, it was sold out everywhere and I was quite upset. But one wonderful lady from Melbourne has kindly helped me to get it. I'm so happy I have this bag now. I use it so often. I have also traveled with this bag to so many countries. I never had any problems with it. It still looks brand new. There is no signs of wear and tear on corners. There is no scratches inside, and the hardware looks brand new as well. I really like this bag. I always get so many compliments whenever I wear it. It's so beautiful. I really love this bag and I'm glad that I bought it in a size small because it's so petite and it just looks great in this color. And yeah, I like to wear it crossbody. I have a few dresses and a few jackets that I wear this bag with. I mainly prefer to wear it with pastel colors. I think it looks just incredible. I will link down below the unboxing and a review video of this bag in case you want to check it out. I also compared it with my other pink flap. Please also feel free to check out my Instagram account. I posted quite a few pictures with this bag. And the last but not the least, what do you guys think about this pearl flap? I really like it. It's pretty sturdy and I like that it looks so delicate. It's really gorgeous. The only thing that I don't like about this bag is the strap length. It's pretty long. But now I just tied with the Chanel ribbon on the inside to make it shorter. Many of you guys are asking me about the wear and tear. So far it looks perfect. There is no signs of wear and tear. Like it looks really brand new. I don't see any scratches on the pearls, on the hardware. It looks pretty good. The corners are good too. In case you are interested to watch the unboxing and a review video of this bag, I will link it down in the description box below so you can have a look. I often get so many questions about this bag with what I can wear it, but actually so many items look fantastic with it. I mainly like to wear it with the jeans and with some light colors. I like the way it looks with pink, with darker pink. It's really beautiful. With beige, it looks amazing actually with so many colors, even with black and white. It's really stunning item. I highly recommend this bag. This is it guys. I hope that you liked this video. Please consider giving it thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Bye!